All, good afternoon, everyone. I am Sanjana Kumari, along with my group members Nisa Bharti, Akansha Kumari, and Rabia Rijwan. Today, we all are presented here to give a presentation on topic file handling. In this presentation, we'll come to know about file, what is file handling, types of file, its modes, and how to open or close a file. First of all, in the slide, you all can see that what is file. It is basically a collection of related data in secondary memory. If we want to save our content, then we need to create a file so that it can't be erased when we shut down the system. The process of retrieving the data or storing the data permanently is called file handling. Basically, it is of two types, text file and binary file. Text file is also known as ASCII file. Each line in a text file ends with new line character, that is backslash n, and binary file contains data in binary form, that is 0 and 1, and they are generally stored in .bin file extension, while text file are stored in .txt file extension. For the next slide, I would call Akansha Kumari.
Performing any operation on the file, first a file must be opened, and after performing the operation we have to close the file. So we have fopen function to open a file. Fopen function is a function in which we open an existing file, and once it opened, then it returns the address of the file. It contains two parameters. In first parameter we write the file name, and in second parameter we write the mode of the file, that the operation we want to perform, like read, write, append, etc. Here you can see the syntax and example of the fopen function. To close a file, we have fclose function. Fclose function is a function which is used to close an open file. It contains only one parameter in which we write the file pointer name. Here you can see the syntax and example of the fclose function. So before moving to the next slide, let's understand how can we perform the different operation on the file. So let's see it with the help of code. Here I have written the code. First I have declared the file pointer name fptr, which stored the address of the file. After that, fopen function is used, in which my file name is file.txt, and here I'm going to perform the read operation. So read mode is used here. As we know that in a read mode, if file is not exist, then it will not execute. So I have taken here a condition that if fptr is equal to null, then it print file does not exist. It means that if there is no file named file.txt, then it will print file does not exist. But if this condition will become false, then it will go for the further code. So further I have taken here a char type array named str, whose size is 100. After that, fgetS function is used. FgetS function is a function which read the set of a character, not only a character, it reads the set of a character. It contains three parameters. In first parameter, we write the char type array name, and in second parameter we write the size of the array. In third parameter we write the file pointer name. After that, basically the fgetS function working here, like it copied the 100 character from the file to the str, that is a char type array. So after that I'm going to print my str, and after performing this operation I'm going to close my file with fclose function. Now I'm going to execute my file. Here hello world is printed. It means that in my file, as you can see that in my file hello world is written, so hello world is printed here. But if we want to write some content in my file, then write mode is used. So I'm going to replace the read mode with write mode. So in write mode, fprintf function is used here. Fprintf function is a function in which by which we write the set of a character. It may contain 2 or 3 parameter. Here I have taken only 2 parameter. In first parameter, file pointer name is written, and in second parameter, we can write the content that we want to write. Now I'm going to execute my file. Let's check the file. So here you can see that write mode is written here. It means that but you can see that it overwrite our previous content of the file, because hello world was written, but now write mode is written. It means that it overwrite our previous content. But if we want to add our content to the previous content of the file, then we have to use append function. So now I'm going to use append function, append mode, sorry. So now I'm going to execute my file, my code. Let's check the file. Here you can see that 2 times write mode is written. It means that append add our previous content to the our content to the previous content of the file instead of overwriting. But as I said that we can use 3 parameter in f printf. So I'm going to use the 3 parameter. So in second parameter we have to declare the format specifier. So now I'm going to, as for write mode, %s is used, and for 10% d is used. So I am going to now execute my file. Let's check my file. Here you can see that write mode 10 is written. It means that we can perform different operation on the file with read, write, and append mode, and there is are many different mode that as you can perform. So this was the in this way you can perform different operation on the file. So next slide will be discussed by Nisha.
I am discussing get C and put C. First of all, get C. That this function is used to character in the file. This syntax angular start angular bracket file pointer name. So the example, and second one is put C. This function is used to character in the file. The syntax put C. Character ch start angular bracket file pointer name, and so the example. Thank you.